Hello guys, in today's video we are going to break down the top 5 best electric water coolers this year. We finalized this list based on price versus performance and situations they will be used in. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for the best value per dollar or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. 1. Avalon A4BLWTRCLR Water Dispenser. When innovation is put at the forefront of design, magic happens, and that's exactly what has produced this well-thought-out and designed water dispenser. The Avalon A4BLWTRCLR water dispenser incorporates bottom water bottle loading, which eliminates the strain and stress that comes with top loading. This water cooler requires you to simply secure your water bottle in the compartment located at the bottom of the machine for easy and comfortable loading. As impressive as that is, this dispenser has a whole lot more to offer. It also delivers water in 3 different temperatures from piping hot to room temperature all the way to soothing cold. So, you no longer need to wait for your water to get cold in the fridge, or get hot on the stove because this machine provides all 3 temperatures consistently throughout the day. With hot water at a constant 180 F, it also includes a child safety lock that prevents little kids from playing with the hot water spouts. As such, hot water related accidents are totally cancelled out. A built-in night light allows you to see what spouts you're using even in the dark. Also, the light up empty bottle indicator alerts you when the bottle needs to be replaced. The best key features are: consists of a high-grade stainless steel tank. Features easy loading bottom cabinet. Includes convenient push-button spouts. Delivers consistent hot and cold water. 2. Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Cooler. Stylish and innovative, the Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom Loading Water Cooler water dispenser is a perfect fit in any home or office. Combining functionality with stunning style, it's hard not to fall in love with this machine. Further, it is a tri-temperature water cooler. This simply means that it provides you with water in 3 different temperatures for your ease and pleasure. Enjoy a pleasant variety with refreshing cold water, ambient room temperature water and calming hot water, all from the same dispenser. Even better, hot coffee, cool iced teas, and lukewarm drinking water are all things you can enjoy at the same time by simply acquiring the Brio water cooler. It also comes with an easy bottom loading technology that protects your back and arms from getting hurt during lifting by eliminating the lifting process entirely. Simply load the bottom cabinet with your water bottle, and it remains nicely stored away while you go about your business. The Brio cooler is a self-cleaning machine, which makes life a whole lot easier. It includes an ozone self-cleaning feature that safely and effectively cleanses the dispenser. Cleaning this water cooler is as simple as pressing a button. The best key features are: provides hot, cold and room temperature water. Easy and convenient bottom loading design. 2 steps dispensing of hot water for safety. Comes with an ozone self-cleaning feature. 3. Primo Bottom Loading Water Cooler. With its sleek design comprising high-grade stainless steel, it's hard not to get carried away by the looks of this water dispenser. But trust us, that's only the tip of the iceberg. The Primo Bottom Loading Water Cooler combines aesthetics with convenience, so that you enjoy the best of both worlds. It equally features bottom loading technology that requires you to simply place the water bottle in the bottom compartment of the device. This eliminates the stress of lifting the bottle as well as prevents dripping. Even better is the fact that it requires no installation or plumbing and is very easy to secure. The bottom loading characteristic also gives the dispenser a clean look that you'll appreciate greatly. Coming with a 3-temperature option, this dispenser also gives you the choice of having piping hot water and refreshing cold water, both of which remain consistent in temperature all day, every day. The hot water feature includes a child safety lock that prevents children from playing with hot water and getting hurt in the process. More so, this product is extremely durable thanks to its steel door panels and water reservoirs. The reservoirs are strong enough to withstand stress or strain. Furthermore, its removable stainless steel drip tray prevents spilling and as you get your water. It can equally be washed in the dishwater for easy and convenient cleaning. This dispenser also includes an added advantage of a 1-year warranty. There's also the fact that it is AL certified and ENERGY STAR rated. The best key features are: removable stainless steel drip tray. Bottom loading that eliminates lifting and dropping. Dispenses 3 temperatures of water. Comes with a 1-year warranty. 4. Whirlpool Self-Cleaning Stainless Steel Electric Water Cooler. Kings of the washer-dryer combos, and tyrants of kitchen appliances, Whirlpool continues to amaze us. They put their best foot forward with self-cleaning stainless steel water cooler, making it our top pick, and the most viable option for a slew of different scenarios. You get to avoid one of the world's biggest issues with water coolers: top-load 5-gallon jugs. It just looks cliché and unattractive. This stainless steel tower is compact enough to fit into most spaces, including your kitchen, office, or even your home gym, so you have a constant source of hydration. The best key features are: Sixth Sense automatic unstable oxygen breakdown feature for self-cleaning, LED indicator to show self-running temperature settings, brushed stainless steel and high-end look. 5. Farberware freestanding hot and cold electric water cooler. Most of us have owned something from Farberware before, but few of us have gone for big appliances. Truth be told, we were a bit skeptical when we tested this one out. But we were pleasantly shocked, and it ended up taking home the bronze for our list. Keep water at the perfect temperature for adding this to a home gym or kitchen for a refreshing, but not necessarily ice-cold drink. Low energy usage makes this excellent for budget-conscious folk, who just want to keep the costs down without having to put too much effort into it. While those are excellent features, there's a bit of an issue: this is not good to hold 5-gallon water jugs. It can, but it will leak. If you're refilling your jugs at a station, this fact won't affect you that much, albeit for a few additional trips from time to time. Slim fit, perfect chill, and cheap enough to get your foot in the door. The best key features are: underneath storage space, not refrigerated. Provides hot and cold water. Chills water to 59 degrees.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.